Hi everyone, I'm Alex from the Southeast Regional Library. Today we are going to make DIY ornament gifts. DIY stands for do it yourself. So this is something you can do at home with your family, do it yourself, whatever you'd like. These gifts can be given to your friends, family, and even your pets. So let's get started. Today we are going to make 3 different ornaments. For the first one, it's going to be hot cocoa. The second ornament is going to be a dog or cat treat that you can give to your pets. And the third ornament is going to be Santa's belt. So for the first one, the supplies we're going to need is a ornament that does not open. And that would be like this one right here. So the lid does come off, but it doesn't come into 2 pieces like these ones. So these are ornaments that do open. They're fillable, so they come in 2 pieces so you can put stuff in them. So we'll need the one that does not open for the hot cocoa. We're gonna need a bag of hot cocoa mix. We're gonna need some mini marshmallows and some crushed peppermint. For crushed peppermint, I just grabbed a candy cane, I put it in a bag, and I smashed that up with my rolling pin. It was super easy to do. And we will also need a little funnel. I didn't have a funnel at home, so I just made one with some construction paper. It was super easy. It'll make it easy to put in the ornament. For the second ornament, we're gonna do our dog and cat treat. So you'll need one of the fillable ones that do open, and then you'll just need some dog or cat treats. So I have some little biscuits right here that I brought from home that I can put in there. And for the third ornament, Santa's belt, we're gonna need another one that opens up. And we're gonna need some Hershey Kisses. I just grabbed some red and silver ones. And you're gonna need Santa's belt. So I just made that out of black construction paper and gold construction paper. And I just taped that up so it'll make it super easy to use. For all the ornaments, we're gonna need some ribbon, or you can use some string. So you'll tie that on the ends to hang them in the tree or give as a gift. And I also made some name tags out of just some craft paper, construction paper. I just cut those out and drew on them, or you can go to the store and buy some. So let's get started with our first ornament, and we're gonna get the stuff out of the way that we don't need. For the hot cocoa ornament, first we're gonna open up the ornament, so you can just pull this little metal tab and it will just pop right off, and that will open it up for you so you can put things in there. First we're gonna need to do is we're gonna put the hot cocoa in. So I'm gonna grab my hot cocoa mix, and I'm actually going to cut open just the corner to make it easier to pour so I don't make a mess. I'll kind of open that up like that, and I'll set that down. I'm going to grab my little makeshift funnel, and I'm going to plop that in the ornament. Then I'm going to pour my hot cocoa mix into the funnel. And I'm gonna put this off to the side. Okay, now just give this a little shake to make sure all the hot cocoa's in there, and I'll just kind of run it around. So now you can see that our hot cocoa is in our ornament. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the peppermint in. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna open up my bag. Or if I want to make it even easier to pour in, I can zip it up, and I can just cut a corner off. So this is another way, if you don't have a funnel, you can just cut the corner off of the bag to pour it in. So I'll kind of do that. So I'll put the edge of the corner of the bag into the ornament, and then I'll just slowly pour in the peppermint. You don't have to put too much if you don't want. Make it fun and colorful. I'll put that off to the side when I'm done. And then I'll just run that around. So now we've got our hot cocoa and our peppermint. You can kind of see that. If you want to mix it up, you can. If you don't, you can just keep it like that so there's different levels. Finally, what we're gonna add is our marshmallows. Everyone loves marshmallows, so I grabbed a lot. These are easy. You'll just grab them and plop them in. The top, they're mini and small, so they'll fit right in. Put as many as you want. I love a lot of marshmallows in my hot cocoa. So I'm gonna put a lot in there. Perfect. So there we have it. So we've got our hot cocoa mix, our peppermint, and then our mini marshmallows on top. And when you're done putting in your ingredients, you're gonna put the lid back on. And so it has two little silver prongs, if you can see. And so you're just gonna pinch those together to pop that back in. Perfect, and it just pops right back on. And so you've got your hot cocoa ornament all done, and we're just gonna add the finishing touches. Let me push this to the side. I'm gonna add my string. I'm just gonna slide that through the top right here. And then I'm gonna add my little name tag. And then I'm just gonna tie it off. Make a little knot. Okay, and there we have it. We have our hot cocoa DIY ornament. You can just give it to a friend, family member, and all they'll have to do is open up the top lid and pour their hot cocoa mix, peppermint, and marshmallows into a cup, add some hot water, and they've got some hot cocoa. For the dog treat or cat treat ornament, we're gonna grab the ornament that is fillable, that opens up. And we're first gonna add our dog treats. So I just grabbed some from home that my dogs like to eat. They're just little mini ones. It makes it easy to make it fillable. And I'm just gonna put them in the ornament. And you're gonna kinda wanna make it overflow in half the ornament because you're gonna put the second one on top. And you're just gonna wanna make it look really full. So you just kind of stack it up as much as you can. Oh, some may fall. So I feel like that is a good amount. And then you're gonna put the other half of the ornament back on top, and you're gonna seal it together. Perfect. And I'm gonna put these extra dog treats off to the side, and so you can see I have it filled with little dog treats. Next, we're gonna add the ribbon. I'm gonna fold this over because it's a really tiny, tiny hole. Trying to get this in there. Pull that through. Okay, now pull that all the way through. Then I'm gonna wanna add my name tag that I made. So I made this for my dog Winston, so I put his name on there. And I'm gonna put the ribbon through the name tag. And I'm gonna just tie that off like I did the last one. And there we have it. We have our DIY dog treat or cat treat ornament. It was super quick, super easy to make, something that you can probably just make at home. You might have to go get the ornament, but definitely if you have a dog or a cat or any pet with treats, you can fill it up right at home. Make a little tag out of any kind of paper that you have with some ribbon. And there we have it. For our last ornament, we're gonna make Santa's belt ornament. And first we're gonna need our fillable ornament that opens up so we can put the Hershey Kisses in. So I'm gonna open that up. And I'm gonna grab my Hershey's Kisses, and I'm gonna wanna fill this one up to the top just like I did the dog treat one. So I'm just gonna throw those in there, trying to make it overflow. So we make sure it's super filled so it looks nice and full when we put the other half on. So kind of stack it as much as you can. Okay, and then I'm going to put the other half on. Perfect. So see, I have it completely filled here. Not much shake room. We want to get as many Hershey Kisses in there to give as many treats out. So next what we're going to do is we're going to add Santa's belt. So what we're going to do is you're going to need some tape for this. You're going to grab Santa's belt that you made with construction paper, or whatever you have laying around, and I'm going to lay that in the middle here, you can see, and I'm gonna actually flip it over, makes it easier, and I'm gonna wrap it around, and I'm gonna tape it. So you could either tape it sideways. I'm actually gonna tape it long ways and actually tape it to the ornament so the belt doesn't slide off. It's gonna be on the back side so you can't really see it. So, and when I flip it the other way, it looks like Santa's belt. So you've got his big belt buckle right here. Super cute. Next, we're gonna add the ribbon. So I'm gonna take my ribbon, gonna fold that over to make it a little smaller to fit in the hole. Then I'm gonna slide that on through, pull the ribbon through. Then I'm gonna add my little name tag that I made. I made a cute little stocking for this one because Santa fills your stockings. And I'm gonna add that to the ribbon. And just like the other two, I will tie this off at the end. And there we have it. We have Santa's belt ornament. Super cute, super easy. Another one that's super easy to do at home. Like I said, with the last one, you will probably need to go buy the fillable ornaments, but you can definitely have some paper at home to cut. Like I said, I made the name tags from paper at home as well, and I had some ribbon laying around, and I actually had some little Hershey Kisses as well. So it was a super fun, easy DIY ornament. And that is our last one. Thanks for joining me today making our DIY ornament gifts. Just to recap, we made 3 different ornaments today. We made our hot cocoa one, our dog or cat treat or any animal treat one, and our Santa's belt. The supplies can be found at the store or at home. I got my ornament, so I got my ornament that does not open, does not come in two, just the lid comes off, and the two fillable ones at Hobby Lobby. You can also get it at Joann's, Michael's, or even Amazon, whatever you'd like. The other supplies I actually had at home, so I had a pack of hot cocoa mix. I had some candy canes that I just crushed to make the crushed peppermint, and I had some mini marshmallows. I had some dog treats. I have two dogs, Mimosa and Winston, and so I wanted to make a cute little ornament for them, and so I just grabbed some dog treats and I was able to put that in there. You can do it for your cat or whatever animal you have little treats for. And for the Santa's belt, I had some Hershey's Kisses laying around. I had some red and silver ones, so I threw that in there. I had some construction paper, which I made his belt out of. I had some craft paper, which I made the little name tags from, and I just got a Sharpie, drew on it, and like I said, I had some ribbon to throw on. So this is a super easy DIY ornament gift that you can do for the holidays coming up. You might have to just get a few supplies, but it's super easy, super affordable to do, and also super fun. You could do it yourself with your family, make it a little craft event, whatever you'd like. But I hope you all had a great time, and I hope I gave you some gift ideas to give for this holiday season. I'll see you next time.